Many materials can be crushed by the crusher, like wood chips, wood blocks, straw, and all kinds of shells, husks, and hoods. With different requirements for production charcoal, the crusher has all kinds of models and sizes. Main parts include hammer, cutter shaft, inlet, and outlet. Simple structure and easy to operate. Put the wood blocks into the inlet manually. The inside cutter shaft and hammer crush these wood blocks and shave out the material with even sizes. The crushed materials are extracted into the dust collector by the air blower. Finally, the finished materials are discharged by the dust collector and the next process can go on. The crusher is always used in charcoal production line.